This isn't a morning coffee with Bob. This is part 2 of a question I asked last night. I said there's probably been trucking companies that have taken advantage of you because mathematics don't always add up. The math doesn't always add up. And I'll just tell you the math problem here so you don't have to go back and look at another video. Math doesn't always add up. When people say the math always adds up, the math doesn't lie. It absolutely can lie. You can make math lie. And I'm positive trucking companies have done it. So if the question I asked, I said there was 3 guys went into a hotel. The hotel was $30. Each guy paid $10 each. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. The guys went to their hotel room. The guy behind the desk said I overcharged him. He called the bellhop. He gave them $5. He gave the bellhop $5, and he said, go take this back to those guys that paid for the room. I overcharged them. The bellhop was going to the room. He didn't know how to divide $5 between 3 people, so he put $2 in his pocket. Knocked on the door. The 3 guys answered. He gave $1 each back to each guy. Minus 3 plus the 2 in his pocket. The bellhop put $2 in his pocket. So now the guys, they paid originally $10 each. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. The bellhop gave them back $1 each. $1 each. So now they only paid $9 each. $9 each plus the 2 in his pocket. So 9 times 3 is 27. Plus the $2 in the bellhop's pocket is 29. And I asked people where the dollar went. And nobody Googled it, which is odd. Nobody Googled. You can't do that. You can make math lie. Here's what you can't do. You cannot add and subtract before multiplication. If you add and subtract before you multiply, you will get a wrong answer. Your math will be wrong. The math will lie. So numbers do lie. You can make them lie. That's a rule. So if you've ever seen somebody add stop pay, then pieces, then multiply mileage, it's wrong. They're taking your money. If you have to multiply, the rule is, we'll put the rule up here. We'll actually read the rule from Google that tells you how to do arithmetic so you don't think I'm lying. Okay, Google says, yes, you will get the wrong answer if you add before multiplication because the order of operation which dictates multiplication and division are performed before addition and subtraction. Google also says, in mathematics, an operation is an action such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In a given mathematical expression, the order in which we carry a calculation is important. The wrong order of operation will often lead to the wrong answer. So, adding and subtracting before you would multiply your miles is going to screw you. Have a good day. Peace.